Hello everybody, in today's video I will show you how to install your own vinyl rain gutter system for rain barrels. Okay, I had two styles to choose from for vinyl rain gutters. One is the general duty and one is the heavy duty. I just went with the general duty because we do not get much snow or ice or anything, so general duty is just fine. So I purchased these at Lowe's and they come in 10-foot sections, and my shed is pretty much 18 feet and about 4 inches, so I needed 2 of them, and I had to buy some little accessories. Let me show you what I got. A few accessories that I need to complete the rain gutter system. I needed a coupling because they're only 10 feet long, and my project is about 18 feet and 4 inches, so I need this, and they just slide in there. I needed 2 downspouts, elbow, and I needed a drop outlet, that's what they call it anyway, and I needed a cap for one end of the drop outlet, and I needed a cap for the downspout itself for the one end, and I bought 7 supports, and I'm actually going to put a support about every 2 feet just over, so I have 7 of those, and this has 1, so there's a support, and this has 1, so there's a support. I decided to put the rain barrels on the right hand side of the shed, so the first thing I need to do is find the highest point on the left hand side of the shed. So I found the highest point on the shed that I want to go, and as you can tell the bracket fits just under there with just a little bit of room. So I'm going to go ahead and tie a string to that so I can make a nice chalk line. Okay, so I have the chalk line on the other end, wrapped around the screw. I have the string coming down here, there's my level, and I'm just holding this end here. So I look at my little level that's made for the line, and I can see I have a slight angle. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull that back and snap it and make a nice chalk. Hopefully you can tell I went ahead and snapped the chalk line, and I got a real nice line there. Hopefully it's not too close, hopefully you can see that. Now the next thing I need to do is attach a support about every 2 feet. So I attach the support bracket with this exterior screw right there, and I'm just going to go ahead to the chalk line and measure every 24 inches. Okay, so I've installed my first 5 brackets, and now it's time to do my slip joint here onto the downspout. Let me show you how that works. First union here, so I'm going to use this slip joint, and they're pretty easy, a little feisty sometimes, but basically I just find the mark where it says to insert it, go ahead and slide it in on one end, and go ahead and try to snap in the other end. Actually it might be easier from this end. Yeah, that's where that needs to be. Okay, just like that, snaps together, slide it to where it needs to be, and now this one's ready to be inserted into the brackets. Okay, so I got the first half done, and on the end by the ladder there, that is the coupling, or the where you're gonna the union. And on this end here, real quick, I'm just gonna go ahead and add the cap. Just went ahead and snapped that together and slid it on there, nice and easy. And you got a nice watertight seal there. But if you want, you can always add silicone in there and seal it up if you had to, but you really don't have to. So the rain gutter is all installed except for the final piece, which is the end piece here, which I went ahead and cut out. And you maybe can tell there is a screw here. I accidentally bought the wrong cap. This piece is supposed to go here, not here. So I basically just stuck it on there with a whole bunch of silicone and put a couple screws in. I had a last minute change of plan. I was going to use these elbow downspouts, but I decided not to. I'm just going to use this piece of flexible downspout that I had laying around. This is going to work way better for what I have in mind. So okay, so I have the rain gutters completely installed. I went ahead and installed my flexible downspout here, and just put a screw up in there, and it just fit tightly in there, and I went ahead and attached my first bracket, and I will show you how I have the second bracket attached. Okay, so I went ahead and attached the braids to the shed right there, and you got 2 holes, so go ahead and stick your downspout in there, and attach the complete rain gutter system on the top, and got the downspout right there, all ready for the rain barrels, which will be in another video. Thanks for watching as always, take care, and God bless.